Tonight, the Michigan Supreme Court says Inkster Judge Sylvia James is not fit to sit on the bench.
But 7 Action News investigator Bill Proctor tells us voters are going to get the last word here.
Judge James tried to convince the state Supreme Court that she didn't deserve to be removed from the bench, despite years of misconduct that she referred to as mistakes. But now she has the opportunity to return to the bench in her city. She made her intentions clear on the day she traveled to Lansing to save her job.
There is a good possibility that they will consider me as a candidate for another term because I have worked very, very hard.
The justice's opinion is scathing in many places, saying James not only lied to investigators about her conduct, but misappropriated court funds and denied crime victims money the law says they should have received. James spent 23 years as chief judge on Inkster's district court. Her re-elections over the years were considered automatic. Then the 7 Action News investigation called into question a host of the judge's decisions and actions. Now, after months of audits, investigations by the JTC and state court administrator, the Supreme Court agrees with the JTC's recommendations. Quoting from their opinion now, the cumulative effect of the respondent's misconduct coupled with its duration, nature, and pervasiveness convinces this court that Judge Sylvia James is unfit for judicial office. Tom Cranmer is the 7 Action News legal analyst.
They did was they indicated clearly in their opinion that this was a pattern of abuse, a pattern of misconduct, and I think that was influential in terms of them deciding to actually remove Judge James from office.
Over many months, the voters have watched what is happening to James.
I think she shouldn't be voted back in. I really do. I mean, because she should be punished like everybody else get punished.
For the removal of a judge, if there was misappropriations of funds, that's very unfortunate.
For months, James has been on a paid suspension, but now that she's been pulled off the bench, that money is expected to stop. What's really fascinating to a lot of people at this point is that, once again, Judge James' fate is in the hands of Inkster voters. She could just be off the bench for about 5 months with no pay and be back on the bench in January. In the newsroom, Bill Proctor, 7 Action News.